Hi everyone! So in today's video we will be learning how to make Bombay sandwich chutney or green chutney. It is a nice spicy chutney which you can enjoy with snacks such as samosas or put on sandwiches. And it's really simple. It can be prepared in less than 10 minutes. So let's begin. Alright, for this recipe we will need 2 bunches of coriander, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic, a small 1-inch piece of ginger, 4 to 5 green chilies, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of slightly boiled peanuts. Make sure not to boil them too much, and also to wash the coriander thoroughly in some cold water. Once we've done that, we can put all of the coriander into a grinder and add a little bit of water, not too much, and then we will do one initial grinding. And once we've done that, we can add in all of our peanuts, ginger, garlic, and green chilies, and we will also squeeze in about 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And then we're going to grind this once more. And then at this point we can add in salt as per your taste, and we're going to grind it one last time. And there you go, your chutney is ready. So you can put this into a jar, into a bowl, and it's ready to serve. And you can enjoy this chutney with snacks such as samosas or pakoras, or you can put it into a sandwich. And I do have a recipe for a Bombay sandwich coming out next, so stay tuned for that video. And please like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below with any questions you have or requests you have for your other recipes. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.